What up, YouTube? Back again for another video. We're back with the Indian Chieftain 2014, and Joey has decided to take this a different direction now. We're going to do another try on the headlight, but this time we're going to use a full headlight.
So you got new driving lights and a new full-on LED headlight from Hogworkz. Oh, that looks pretty sweet. Looks nice. We're going to see if it's going to work. You guys suck so hard.
I mean, I knew it was there.
Okay, so like we've done before, take off this screw, pop out the centerpiece. Then you got three 10mm screws, 1, 2, and 3. Pull the whole headlight casing out.
I remember my flashlight today.
All right, so
that other washer is on
we're gonna test it first to see if it actually works before actually doing the full install.
Well, that plugged in a lot easier.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
What?
Hold that. Let me go get my key fob so the bike works.
Oh,
We need to go ahead and take that capacitor out of there too. It ain't doing nothing.
Well, yeah, if this works, we won't need it anymore. All right, so we confirmed that the Hogworkz headlight does work.
Bruh,
So
that's fucking awesome.
we're gonna go ahead and then
So fucking bad.
take these out so we can put the matching Hogworkz ones in. In order to do that, we're gonna have to remove the outer fairing. All right, guys, so to remove the outer fairing, first thing you gotta do, pop those grills out. Not hard, just pry from here up and then slide out. You don't wanna bust the tab that goes in here. Do that on both sides.
We weren't looking at that speaker at all while you were saying that.
What are you talking about? That's right there. Yeah. Pop it from the order out and then pull it out, slide. Don't break the tab that sits in here. Next thing, we're gonna remove this screw. What is it for? 4mm Allen.
There's 2 more.
And then there's 2 more underneath here. One right there. And the other one is at the bottom there.
Yeah, we got 4.
Is it below? Is that the other one below
Oh,
the...
shit. Sorry, buddy.
And then, okay, I see right there below the fog light.
We got 4 up under here under the windshield.
You got 4 under there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, guys, once you get these out, which are kind of a pain, once you get those out, you just basically pull this out, and now
Where have to go?
you gotta
It's over here. I got it.
unhook your turn signals, and then you gotta pull for the driving lights these 3 bolts on each side. What size is it? 8?
7.
7mm.
You want the extension? Make it easier?
Yeah, you got it.
It's right there.
You got a 1/4 inch extension.
Yeah, it's right there by the... Way warmer in here than
Yeah, the other day.
the other day.
Pull the collar off. Take the housing out.
These need oriented in the... Does it matter how these are oriented?
I think that they are going to have some kind of a...
DOT should be on the top.
Oh, wait.
Here, hand me that.
You're going to need this collar.
How does this work? I didn't pay attention
Here.
to how that was in there.
Hold on a second, you can copy this one.
All right, that's too big.
Collar's too big. No.
All right, guys, so we got them hand tight, but we're going to make sure these are both lined up so the orientation's correct.
That one looks like it needs to come. The far side needs to come just a little.
All right, guys, now that we got the orientation right, we're putting the fairing back on. Once again, you're going to do these 4 bolts. Believe it or not, putting them back on was actually pretty simple. They went right in. You can see if they're actually going in through their counterparts right here. Sorry, right there and there and there. So just tighten them up and put your fairing back on. All right, guys, now that we got the grill, or we got the fairing back installed, now we're going to install the actual headlight, which is going to consist of removing it from the actual casing, which has what? Four Phillips head screws that hold the ring in.
I think that light would have worked if we had the right resistor.
Probably.
But I'm much happier with these
But that's
Hogworkz.
okay. That means I can send that one I spent money on back.
Oh, come on, you fucking whore.
That's going to be up, yeah.
Yeah, there's a bolt on the top.
DOT.
You're going to want to take the plastic off.
Yeah, I know.
This is your high beam, so that goes on the top.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
These are your low beams.
Wouldn't make sense for the low beam to be on the bottom.
I don't know
If that's
why-
my high beam, wouldn't that is Hog?
I don't know why Hogworkz is going to be upside down, but that's the way it is.
All right, guys.
Now,
So you
tell
got
me that
tabs.
that looks crooked though.
Oh, that's right. I mean, it's got to go that way. That's where the tabs are sitting. So.
Don't scratch your headlight.
And then the ring will hold it back down in place where the tabs are. Alrighty.
Where's my screws at?
What did you do with the screws?
I feel like I put them where I wouldn't forget them and I forgot them.
Now, the Hogworkz are supposedly have resistors built into them for the 2014, so you don't have to worry about putting a resistor in. So we took the resistor out that we had there, and this should just go right in theory. Did you get them?
Yeah. I should probably plug it in first.
Worst plug design ever.
Yeah, not a big fan of that plug.
Can't say what I really feel. I'll get Justin demonetized.
All right, she's in.
Screw the flux capacitor, just go with Hogworkz.
I don't think you're lined up. There it goes. All right, guys, I'm just going to put this out there right now. It does not do justice on camera what this looks like. It is very, very bright. And it looks really good.
Thumbnail right there.
Yeah.
If you have a 2014 Chieftain, just go buy the Hogworkz lights. Don't mess around with trying to do all the other stuff.
Oh, we gotta put it in the bottom first. There we go.
Dog.
That looks sweet. And as you guys can see, it is hella bright.
What are those floors?
Very, very bright. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. The Hogworkz headlight and driving lights. Guys, it is a night and day difference for this motorcycle. I highly recommend. We took it out to, well, we didn't take it out, it's snowing, but the beam pattern's nice. It's much brighter than stock. Looks a lot nicer, more modern. Highly recommend. I'll post a link to them in the description. I appreciate everybody liking, subbing, sharing, and everything else. You guys are awesome. I'm hoping to bring a bunch more videos to you guys on this motorcycle and some other bikes and some other things coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, maybe we left something out, leave a comment down below. I try to get to everybody in the comments I can. And yeah, till next video.